Hi knitting friends, Shaina Bilow here. I've just started a beaded hat from the center out and I'm placing beads. In this video I'm going to show you how I place the beads on the knitted fabric so that they stand out and sparkle. You'll see I've already got my yarn threaded with all of the beads, so the beads are pre-strung onto the yarn before you start knitting your hat or your project. This is called slipped stitch beading because the bead rests on the running thread or the piece of yarn that is sitting in front of a slipped stitch. So in order to work a bead, I've worked up to the spot in my pattern where I am instructed to place a bead. I'm going to slide a bead up the working yarn until it hits the right hand needle or the stitch that I've just completed. I'm going to bring my yarn to the front of the work as though I'm about to purl. Then I'm going to slide the stitch from the left needle over to the right hand needle purlwise. So my yarn is in the front, I'm going down the stitch and sliding it over. And then I'm going to take my working yarn and put it in the back. So essentially what I've done is I've slipped a stitch, and in front of that stitch is a strand of yarn with a bead on it. After I've done that step, where I've slipped the stitch with the bead in front, I then proceed with my next pattern instructions. Let me show you that again. I've gotten to the point in my pattern where I am instructed to place a bead. I bring it up the working yarn to just next to the stitch that I've completed, move my yarn to the front of the work, slip the stitch from the left hand needle to the right hand needle, and then bring the yarn to the back of the work, making sure that bead stays in the front right here. So that bead is going to rest in front of the slipped stitch on that horizontal strand of yarn, and that's what makes it pop and lay nice and straight as well. Happy beading!